I've been working with Office 365 for a long time, and I remember when the first days where it's like, it was kind of an open atmosphere where it's like, here it is. But today we can lock down security, we can lock down mailboxes, and really protect the data. And that's what customers seem to be looking for today. And Microsoft has really, broken the barriers to entering the cloud. I would say security is going to be the number one, right? So we're all going to the cloud. I still think that we're going to have a hybrid, on-prem. I don't think that's going anywhere. But I think, securing the entire, collaboration and, infrastructure is going to be key to making sure that, we don't have, 5,000 different applications here and then a couple here, and, not, having a different process for each one of those. So really having like a single, a source of authority for all of those cloud applications and on-premises. A lot of the customers, they come to my team, they come to us and say, hey, we want to migrate Exchange, right? That's the easy thing. And so what we'll do is, obviously, we'll go through the process of setting up the hybrid and moving mailboxes and that kind of stuff. But what ends up happening is customers buy an entire suite of product, but they only want to use the mailboxes, and they're totally missing out on the opportunity for Teams, SharePoint Online, OneDrive for Business, and those kind of things. So that's really, that's the conversations that we're starting to and been having with our customers is what's next on the agenda, what's next on the roadmap, so we can educate you and move those workloads, or just show you how this stuff works. To me, it's Teams. It's the Microsoft story. We've been using Teams since it was really early on our team. And I've seen it progress as time goes on, and it's more of, we think of it as just a messaging platform or a Skype platform that's a replacement, but it's so much more rich, and the coexistence, it's, my single pane of glass that I can see my entire team on, all the documents that we're working on together. So to me, that's the easiest way to take the next steps, because it's not just the Teams adoption, it's the SharePoint adoption and integration and Planner and all those kind of things as well. Years ago, it was very open and very scary, right? But now there are so many options to secure data, make sure it doesn't leave the company, make sure users aren't getting hacked. There's just look at all the options and make sure that you're not just turning down the cloud for no reason.